Part two, part two, part two. Here we go. Yes, we walked around 1.5 kilometers to a bloody stream that sounds like a bloody fucking jet engine just to get on these inflatable big black donuts. Pause. And not only that, we're tied up like fucking human centipedes. Like, god damn. And 1, 2, 3, here we go. The bloody human centipede, but not fucking gruesome. I guess that's all. Yeah, the whole journey, it was fun, not gonna lie. Me not being a nature guy myself, I enjoyed it. Also, bonus clip, 1, 2.
Ryan. Oh, jangan dong. Oh, weh. Bergantung.